Bonjour à tous, bienvenue pour notre 12e session number 12. So basically, we are at the middle here of our free French course for beginners. If you made it until here, I just want to say bravo. Félicitations, because it's amazing. It's amazing. You're on your way to speak French a little bit more every day. And that is fantastique, magnifique, incroyable. Okay, lesson number 12. Let's dive into what we're going to do today. Today, you are going to learn how to ask for and understand very basic directions to a place in town in French, obviously. Allez, c'est parti tout le monde, on attaque. Let's go. Let's start with a small dialogue. Bonjour. Excusez-moi. Où est la poste? C'est à gauche, puis tout droit. Merci beaucoup. De rien. Bonne journée. So like always, we have a few things we already know because we saw it in the past sessions and new things we are going to learn and we are going to reuse today in the class and later in the Telegram group. So, translation. Bonjour. Excusez-moi. Hello. Excuse me. You see, it's very similar to English. Excusez-moi. Excusez-moi. Où est la poste? Where is the post office? Où est la poste? Where is the post office? C'est à gauche. It's on the left. Puis tout droit. Then straight ahead. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. De rien. We saw that at our last session, during our last session. De rien. You're welcome. Bonne journée. Have a nice day. Tip, everybody, very important. Always say bonjour in France before asking anything. It's really important for us French to say bonjour because bonjour, it just opens the communication channel really between two persons. So anytime you're going to ask someone something and it's the first time of the day you see that person, please start with bonjour. You know why? Because if you don't say bonjour and you ask a question, the answer from a French person is always going to be bonjour, because they are waiting you to say, oh my God, I'm so sorry. Excusez-moi. Bonjour. Où est la poste? Ah, then c'est à gauche, puis tout droit. It's on the left and then straight ahead. Okay, for the cultural part of the French people. Key vocabulary, key sentences, key phrases here. Où est, where is, and later you just put the name of the place. Où est la poste, la pharmacie, l'hôtel de ville, le supermarché. À gauche, to the left. À droite, to the right. On the left, on the right, to the left, to the right. Left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right. À gauche, à droite. Tout droit, straight ahead. Don't make the confusion between droite, right? Droit, droit, without the T at the end. If you say droite with the T, it's right. If you say droit without pronouncing the T, it's straight, okay? Look at the last two ones. Près d'ici, near here, close from here, près d'ici. And the contrary, loin d'ici, far from here. D'ici, from here. Près d'ici, near from here, close from here. Loin d'ici, far from here. Key phrases. Où est, and the name of the place. Où est la pharmacie? Where is the pharmacy? C'est à droite. It's to the right. It's on the right. C'est à gauche. It's to the left. It's on the left. C'est tout droit. It's Straightforward. Excusez-moi. Excuse me. Je cherche. I'm looking for, and later you can put the name of the place. Je cherche la pharmacie. I'm looking for the pharmacy. Je cherche la poste. I'm looking for the post office. Je cherche le supermarché. I'm looking for the supermarket. Merci. Thank you. De rien. De rien. You're welcome. Look at my mouth. De rien. De rien. You're welcome. Est-ce que c'est loin? Remember the question with est-ce que? We don't have actually to say est-ce que. We can only say c'est loin? C'est loin? Is it far from here? C'est loin d'ici? But in order to make a standard question, we can use est-ce que and later the sentence. Est-ce que c'est loin? But it's the same meaning, the exact same meaning. C'est loin? Is it far? C'est loin d'ici? Is it far from here? Est-ce que c'est loin? Is it far? Est-ce que c'est loin d'ici? Is it far from here? Remember that est-ce que is a fantastic way to make sure you are asking a question. Because sometimes maybe you're going to say c'est loin and you don't have the intonation and you're just saying it's far. But if you say est-ce que c'est loin, it's a question. Is it far? So anytime you can, remember to use est-ce que when it's a close question. The answer is yes or no. Est-ce que c'est loin? Oui. Non. OK, ça va? C'est bon? On continue? Should we continue? Repeat after me. Put a little bit bigger my face. Je cherche la pharmacie. A bit faster. Je cherche la pharmacie. Et maintenant, rythme normal. Je cherche la pharmacie. Next one. C'est c'est, because we do the liaison phonétique, c'est ta droite. Repeat after me. C'est ta droite. Rythme normal. C'est ta droite. You need to take some air in to be able to pronounce it the normal way. C'est ta droite, because you need a lot of air to pronounce in French, okay? Don't worry if it's complicated, if you feel like it's complicated, it's perfectly normal. We go step by step here, okay? Next one. C'est loin. Loin. It's a nasal vowel. Loin, loin, loin. Repeat after me. C'est loin. It is far. C'est loin. Parfait. Last one. C'est tout droit. It's a very complicated one. Droit, droit, droit. Okay, repeat after me. C'est tout droit. Faster. C'est tout droit. Same thing. If you feel it's complicated, don't freak out. It's perfectly normal. On se calme. Tout va bien. Everything is fine. Question to practice. Okay, different way to ask for a direction. Où est le supermarché? Where is the supermarket? C'est à gauche. It's on the left. To the left. Où se trouve Okay, so this is a new verb, okay? Se trouver. We use that verb to indicate or to ask for a direction. Où se trouve la poste? Où se trouve la poste? It's the exact same thing when you ask où est la poste? Où se trouve la poste? C'est à droite, puis tout droit. It's to the right and then, puis tout droit, straight ahead. C'est loin d'ici? Is it far from here? Non, c'est près. It's close, it's near. C'est près d'ici. It's near here. It's close from here. Okay, repeat after me. Où est la poste? Où est la poste? Où se trouve la piscine? Where is the swimming pool? Very important in summer. Again. Où se trouve la piscine? Où se trouve la piscine? Next one. C'est loin d'ici. C'est loin d'ici. Last one. Bigger sentence. Excusez-moi, je cherche le café. Excuse me, I am looking for le café, a coffee. Because café can also be a coffee bar, all right? A bit faster. Excusez-moi. Je cherche le café. Et à un rythme normal. Excusez-moi. Je cherche le café. Fantastic. Allez, live exercise. We have to complete the dialogue here. So, bonjour. La poste, c'est à gauche, puis tout. Merci beaucoup. Bonne journée. Okay, guys. Well, the answer is here. Bonjour. Où est la poste? Où se trouve la poste? C'est à gauche, puis tout droit. Merci beaucoup. De rien. You're welcome. Bonne journée. Have a good day. Remember not to make the confusion between droit, straight, and droite, right. Recap for today. We have plenty of things. Excusez-moi. Excuse me. Je cherche. I'm looking for. Je cherche la pharmacie, le supermarché, la poste. Où est? Where is? La pharmacie, le supermarché, la poste. Où se trouve? Where is? Like, where is located, non? Où se trouve la pharmacie, la poste, le supermarché? C'est loin d'ici? Is it far from here? Non, c'est près. It's close. C'est à gauche. It's to the left. C'est puis à droite. Then to the right. Puis, then. Now, like always, go to the Telegram group, download your vocabulary, grammar, and phonetics pronunciation exercise. Share something in the group. The more you practice in the group, the more you're going to feel good when speaking in French or writing in French. Don't forget to like this video, share it with anybody you know who wants to learn French from scratch for free. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.